In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Keep efficiently. If you haven't used it before, Google Keep is an incredibly handy tool for jotting down notes, creating checklists, and organizing your thoughts. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and explore how to access and manage your notes using Google Keep. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head to Google Keep. You can do this by visiting www.google.com and typing Google Keep into the search bar, or by navigating directly to keep.google.com. Once there, sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. This will bring you to the main interface where the magic happens. That's where you'll see all of your recorded notes right away. Now that you're in Google Keep, take a look around. You'll notice that your notes are right at your fingertips. They are usually displayed in a grid or list format, which you can adjust according to your preference. Now let's move on to interacting with your notes. Hover your mouse over the note that you want to take action on. You should see some options appear, which provide functionality to manipulate your note in a number of ways. One of the useful features of Google Keep is the ability to view your notes' version history. This comes in handy if you ever need to look at previous edits or restore an older version of your note. To access this feature, look for the 3 vertical dots usually found at the lower right corner of the note. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on Version History. This will open up a sidebar where you can see the history of changes made to your note, including the times and dates these changes occurred. Besides reviewing the history, Google Keep also offers the option to download your note. Once you're inside the version history panel, look for the download option so you can have a local copy of your note saved on your device. This feature proves invaluable when you want to have an offline backup or share the note in its current form without relying on a network connection. And just like that, you're done. By now, you should feel comfortable opening Google Keep, accessing your notes, checking out their version history, and even downloading them to your device. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. And knowing these tricks makes Google Keep a powerful ally in keeping your thoughts organized. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope you found it informative and that you can now make the most out of Google Keep. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, keep it simple and organized with Google Keep.